stop your self-sabotage. Stop talking to yourself in a way that you won't even talk to other people. Okay, stop telling yourself that you're ugly, that you're incapable, that you're worthless, that you can't do it, because whatever you tell yourself, you will believe and it will come into fruition. Okay, you have to build yourself up. Build up your confidence, build up your self-esteem, believe in yourself. Pray to the Lord God, ask Him for strength to help you stop those negative thoughts, that negative cycle. You really won't get through it if you believe you won't get through it. You won't become the version of yourself that you want to become if you keep telling yourself that you can't accomplish that version of yourself, that you can't get to that point. You have to speak about yourself in a way that will boost your confidence and attract these opportunities that you want into your life. Okay, you have to be your own best friend. That is how I started manifesting amazing opportunities into my reality. That is how I started, attracting these awesome people and awesome things into my life. I had to boost my confidence. I needed to have faith. I needed to have a healthy mindset. It honestly all starts here. The way that you talk to yourself in your head is almost everything. You create your own reality with your mind. Okay? It's up to you to see the healthier perspective of life. It's up to you to have a healthy mind. It's up to you to have healthy habits.